nung na-expose ni Pangulong BBM yung malaking skandalo sa flood control, pati na sa budget, nakita nila na kaya siguro walang trabaho, walang sa basic services, wala ito, wala yan, wala infrastructure, dahil binubulsa lang.
Na mahirap ang buhay, may programa dapat ang gobyerno, mataas pa nga ang buwis, di ba? That means indirect taxes can even affect the cost of this food, ninanakaw pa.
Yun ang sinabi nga yun ang sinasabi ni Pinoy dati, di ba? Pag walang korap, walang mahirap. And that was a very powerful slogan. And,
it was powerful. It defined his administration.
Yes.
So, but the challenge now kay President Marcos Jr. is really, you brought it out, people want them to be made accountable. Yeah. Right after the issue of flood control, galit na galit ng tao, especially in highly populated area. Kasi sila ay nakarinig ng kwento, mga numero, at nais nilang panagutin. Sino ang dapat managot?
Maganda yung tanong mo, partner, because alam mo, nakakakabayan eh. Kasi parang social volcano yan eh. No, nagtitimpi ang taong bayan. Nagtitimpi sila, naghihintay sila na dapat sinong dapat managot. At pag ito ay hindi na-release ang galit ng taong bayan in a legal way, it opens the possibility of people taking advantage of that kind of feeling. Kaya kailangan talaga, tama yung tanong mo, partner, accountability seems to be number one now also.